High Commissioner, and your staff, and the beautiful choir, ladies and gentlemen, and representatives of the governments of the Pacific who are here with us this afternoon or this evening. Thank you all very much for the simple but meaningful ceremonies of welcome. As you know, this trip had been planned, or the invitation came to us in 2023, pretty soon after we got into office. And since then, we have received a few ministers from this great Republic of India, and also the lady president of the Republic. Those visits to Fiji and the visit by Prime Minister Modi in 2014 indicate the close and long-standing relationship that Fiji has had with India. Started in our colonial days, the days of the empire, when workers from India, not knowing what it was all about, came to Fiji or were brought to Fiji to work in the sugarcane plantations, starting in 1879. The last shipment or the last group came in 1916. We have had those years of friendship and the development of our relationship. A bit of a set-off, a break in 1987 when the world couldn't understand what Rabuka was doing in Fiji. So we had to rebuild our relationship after that. Now I have been personally invited, not only in my capacity as Prime Minister, but I, as one that was responsible for the break in our relationship then, was able to be invited as a guest of the Republic of India. And I've had the good fortune and the honor and privilege of hosting the President of India when she came to Fiji last year. To those who work here and remember Fiji and send remittances home, the remittances we get from our workers abroad is significant. It plays a major part in our local and domestic economy. It helps our families in the villages, in the towns, face the hardships or the difficulties of the financial burden we face every day. But as I mentioned in Parliament, the Itoke are no longer poor. We're not poor. We just poorly manage what we get. Thank you all very much for what you do for us. Thank you for remembering us. We are getting into very exciting times. We have a few major developments that will happen. One took off last week. Another big one will be taking off before the end of the year. And there's a major port development in Suva and one deep seaport in Bunda. New international airport in the Kondrawe in Wunlangi. Turombal Tutakau has given its consent as Kanangele Litaki Rarenungabuka. There are three or four big hotels to go up in Salt Lake in the Kondrawe. The road infrastructure that China is helping fund will take off also very soon. We have a 100-bed uh, specialty cardiac hospital to be built in Suva. Fiji, the Indian grant or aid grant. And it's not for Fiji, it's for the region. Like the Cyprema Hospital for Cyprema Children's Hospital. It's not for Fiji, it's for the region. What we play, uh, it's our role in the region to be of assistance, to be a cooperative partner with all the island nations of the Pacific. They're very exciting projects. They're good for Fiji and the region. As I said, the Cyprema Hospital for children, Heart Hospital for children, is running very well and serving the children of the Pacific very well indeed. It helps in our attempt to bring the region together, stronger in our cooperation. This new one, the 100-man specialty cardiac hospital, will be another one that will promote that. The major port development also will be not only regional, but it'll be an international hub for America to Asia traffic and Asia to America traffic. Big, so there are exciting times ahead, and you young people should look forward to that. Next month, we signed the Declaration of the Pacific as an Ocean of Peace, which I will take back to the United Nations General Assembly meeting in September after I promoted it in my first meeting in 2023. Some of you may know that I also did my master's degree in India, in Tamil Nadu, Staff College in Wellington. So we have a very good relationship. We have many things to remember each other about and for and thankful for. So while you're here, remember those relationships. Keep the relationship going well. We don't want any of you creating some bad images about Fiji. I know you're going to do well. Those who are here for the Girl Guide, there's also a group of young students touring America at the moment. Mostly gospel and other secondary schools around Suva. Just going around as young diplomats for Fiji and the region, telling the world who we are, what we value, and what we would like to learn from the world to improve our lot as Fijians in Fiji. Once again, thank you all very much for the ceremonies today. We may be able to answer some of your questions, but you know Ratu Atonyo, Lalmalava, the Minister for Health and Social and Medical Services, and the rest of the group from Fiji. I'll ask them to introduce themselves and sing one song each. To say thank you as a way of saying thank you to the ceremonies that you accorded us today. Pinavalevu, wanuni vinakatuya tumeviti. So hold the banner high, hold it with pride, come home happy, not necessarily richer, but happy, okay? You spread the name Fiji this far and bring back all the good things that you pick up while you're here. And gentlemen from Pacific Missions here, Vinawalevu, thank you for coming to be with us tonight. I hope you'll drink a lot of grog. Vinawalevu.